Hey, my friend, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. You wanna speak English, but you feel lost or confused? Maybe you think my English is not good. People will laugh at me. What if I make mistake? But listen, this fear is biggest problem, not your English. The truth is, nobody start perfect. Every good speaker was once a beginner, just like you. Even I was afraid before, but then I realized something important. Confidence is more powerful than grammar. Think about a baby. When a baby learns to talk, does he know grammar? No, he only tries, makes mistakes, and slowly learns, right? That's exactly how you will learn English too. Mistakes are not your enemy, mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake you make is one more step towards success. And now imagine this. If you speak only 5 simple sentences every single day, after 1 week, you'll feel stronger. After 2 weeks, you'll feel proud. And after 1 month, you'll look back and say, wow, I can speak English now. So please, my friend, don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time will never come. The perfect time is today. The perfect time is now. Just take a deep breath. Start small. Describe your day in English. Say, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink tea, I go to work, I'm walking, I'm recording a video. Like this. Simple sentences, but big progress. And remember, my friend, your voice is more important than your mistake. Your confidence is more important than grammar. So many times I repeat this thing. Believe me, confidence is more important than grammar. So today, I give you a challenge. Speak out loud right now at least 5 English sentences. Just 5. Don't worry about mistake. Don't worry about perfection. Just speak. One day, English will not feel like a dream. It will be your reality. And that day will come faster than you think if you start today. So, my friend, don't be silent. Don't be afraid. Speak bravely. Speak confidently. Your future self will thank you. So, my friend, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.